afternoon, my name is Erika Murcia and we'll talk about mechanical and thermal characterizations of stabilized earth bricks. Introduction. The lifespan of buildings depends on the mechanical properties of construction materials, and his energy performance depends on the thermal properties of these materials. The mechanical characterizations determine the compressive strength of the bricks using a mechanical pressure, and thermal characterizations determine the thermal capacity and conductivity of the bricks using an asymmetric method and transient hot plates. Several researchers innovated the methods of brick making. An example, Baumian and Fenn developed a new building material using a sawdust, wastel paper, and radical lime. Another is Muntohar. This showed that compressive and flexural strength of clay brick are improved by adding of lime and rice husk, among other great researchers. These are some nomenclatures that are used to calculate their variables. A. Thermal diffusivity. C. Thermal capacity per area unit. C. Specific heat. E. Thermal effusivity. E. Thickness of sample. Fc. Compression strength. P. Laplace parameter. Rc. Contact thermal resistance. W. Water content. Some symbols. C. Quadratic error between experimental and theoretical curves. Pc. Thermal capacity. Phi. Laplace transform of the flux. And dira. Laplace transform of the temperature. And subscribes. X. Experimental. Mod. Model. H. Heading element. And U and I. Insulating blocks. This table shows the description of the experimental protocol and the proportion of mixtures of 5 manufacturers. This is the explication of the compression resistant test of a brick with a mechanical pressure. Applying a force of 2 kilonewtons per second, this test consists of subjecting a brick to a simple compression until failure. And the thermal capacity and conductivity is calculated with some model, this, with the hypothesis that the heat transfer is unidirectional in the center of the sample. The results of mechanical tests show that the vibrate bricks have a lower density and compressive strength, and the compressed bricks have a mean value of density and compression strength. And finally, the results and the thermal test show that the vibrate bricks have a lower thermal capacity and high conductivity, and the compressed bricks have a mean value of thermal capacity and mean value conductivity. Thanks.